Web content is king. These words show really on the results originated from producing quality and also engaging material on your sites or blog. It also goes beyond that, as top quality material is the bedrock of a successful search engine optimization strategy. Without connecting and engaging your audience, ranking organically on online search engine is significantly challenging. Premium web content supplies value, and digital marketing professionals call for such to thrive online. Nevertheless, producing top-quality web content is lengthy as well as extensive. It may not be as challenging when you need to create content for just one website. But when it involves numerous websites, creating fresh content can be entrusting. A lot more. In a quote, to make sure improved customer experience, online search engine websites like Google penalize websites with low-quality web content. An option to producing your short articles on your own is to utilize copywriting services online. Still, locating a fantastic writer is hard to locate, and also otherwise carefully done, it can affect your work in even more ways than pictured. An additional option is to utilize a post rewriter. There are lots of write-up rewriters around, as well as most fall short of the mark. Spinrewriter takes your writing level to an entire new degree. Here is all you need to learn about this impressive post-rewriting software application. Some spinning programs would let you input a write-up or any other message, as well as arbitrarily generate a variation of the text by uniquely replacing phrases as well as words with their basic synonyms. Others can restructure sentences as well as their orders within each paragraph. Extra sophisticated rotating devices can spin at several degrees, which is known as multi-level spinning. This just implies that you can rotate already spun texts, permitting you to merge various rotated texts. A spinning device like spinrewriter takes your writing degree to an entire new degree. Here is all you need to find out about this impressive write-up rewording software application. Spinrewriter is an on-the-internet write-up spinning device that provides advanced material creation attributes. Today, it is one of the most smart software application for spinning content available to customers. Spinrewriter is developed with a formula that rewords any kind of short article into a message duplicate that has actually never been published on the internet by anybody before. Released in 2011, Spinrewriter has weathered the tornado with time, as well as is shown as one of the top article rewording tools online. Spinrewriter consistently launches a new variation yearly to enhance performance. Here is just how it functions. Copied material will protect against search optimization and also will certainly get your site penalized. That is bad for SEO. If that occurs, your search ranking decreases, and your web content will be hidden to more individuals. This will at some point boost your opportunities of not realizing your company goals. It can be the difference in between you and also the competitors. That claimed, Spinrewriter stops all that. It does so by making sure that your material does not appear as duplicates on the search engine. Below is how it creates distinct material. Spinrewriter makes certain that users have accessibility to tons of high-grade posts within a short time framework. It has a built-in semantic spinning ENL engine, which is accountable for the variance of sentence structures as well as the insertion of synonyms in sentences. Spinrewriter makes use of a modern technology that requires little added job to be done on your web content after rotating. That is, if you select to provide it a retouch. Even though lots of people opt out of using a spin technology, Spinrewriter removes any kind of uncertainty from the procedure of creating pertinent content for your brand or organization. It avails text content for your use without copyright. This works in building backlinks.